Hi, welcome back to Scrapping It Up Part 4 of making this album. Okay, so we'll start where we just left off on the other one. What we're going to do in this video, we're going to finish it up and we are going to make these flaps and these pockets. Okay, so now you can grab any file folder. I think I have a bottom one, is what I grabbed. So you will need 7 file folders for this. If you want to use your file folders to make the flaps, you could use just cardstock and use your envelope punch board to make your tabs, or you don't even have to have a tab. So the first thing we're going to do, we need to cut this at 7 3/4, so I'm going to want my tab down at the bottom. Or 7 1/4, I'm sorry. 7 1/4 is what we want this to be cut at. 7 1/4. Okay. So now by 6. So I'm going to cut, so I have, I'll show you. Cut it by 6. And I forgot to square off my file folder. That's pretty square, so I won't worry about that. Cut up at 6. So you have this. So what you'll do with your corner rounder is just round that corner. So you have a tab, just like that. And you can use this one if you want. Well, no, because it's not wide enough. Never mind. So now grab the other side of your file folder that you just cut and cut it at 7 1/4. By 6, and you want your tab. So don't cut off your tab. By 6. Okay, there's those, and set that aside. You can use these here that are extra. You can use those for tags for inside your album. And this piece here, you can just throw it away. Set those aside. So now what we're going to do is grab your scoreboard, and we are going to score at 1/2 inch. Have your tab on this side and score 1/2 inch. This is how your flap is going to attach. And you can round this corner here. Okay. Put your scoreboard away. And we're going to burnish these. Fold on them and burnish. And attach your score pal tape. And sorry about this being in parts. I haven't figured out how to, my original video was 55 minutes and I couldn't get it uploaded to YouTube. So one of these days I need to figure out how to do that. Because I just used my iPhone. So it wouldn't upload for some reason, so that's why I've done this in parts. So now we're going to attach these like this. Let me do mine. Yep, I'm doing mine that way. So here's that one and that one. Okay, I'll flip my book around so I can see what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to center it. Just make sure you're flush with the top. Just kind of center it. And then just take your score pal tape off. And flip it around. So I can do this side. And just center it. Don't go over the top. Okay. There's our flaps. Yay. Okay, now we're going to do some pockets down here. And I'm going to use black cardstock. And I should have had that ready, but nope, I didn't. Okay. So, and we are just making our pocket come to here because I want this tab right here to show. So how I do that is, let's see. So this measures 6 3/8, and we want half an inch, so it's going to be 7 3/8. So we're going to cut it at 7 3/8. Let's see. Let's measure what we want this side to be. I just want it to come to here. So that measures 4, and we need half an inch at the bottom, so 4 1/2. So I'm going to cut this at 4 1/2. And all this paper is the Micro Recollections 65 weight cardstock. And then we said 7 3/8. So go to 7 3/8. Oops. Okay, there's that pocket. Now let's measure our other pocket. And again, we just want it to the tab, which is going to be 6 1/2. So we need 7 1/2, correct? 7 1/2 by 4 1/2. So 7 1/2 by 4 1/2. So I'm going to cut this at 4 1/2. That way I just use one sheet. Yep, 4 1/2 by 7 1/2. And hopefully it fits. Okay, so put your trimmer away. You're going to get your scoreboard out. And we are going to score it 1/2 inch. Rotate it. 1/2 inch. And 1/2 inch. That forms our pocket. And we'll put that one underneath there because that's that side. Do the same thing to this one. And when you're scoring, guys, don't score with your tool up like this. Kind of go at a slant, because if you go up, you're liable to tear through your paper. So always just go at an angle. That's a little tip for you guys. Okay, so let's fold these and get our score pile tape on. So I'll put my score pile tape on first. And I don't go clear to the end. You're going to be cutting this, we're going to miter the corners. So you don't have to go clear to the end with tape. Save on your craft supplies because they are expensive. But make sure you go to the end over here. Because that's the top of your pocket. So just like that, folks. And that one on this side. This one goes on this side. Just like that. Now we're going to miter the corners. And what I mean by mitering the corners, see that little box right here? Here, let me mark it so you guys can see it. There's a little box. What you're going to do is you're going to cut at an angle. Don't go into your score lines, just right at your score lines. And what this does, it reduces bulk in your projects. Because you don't want your cardstock over cardstock. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So we're going to fold it and burnish. Fold all 3 sides. See how that side is? That's perfect. This side is overlapping. It creates bulk. So what I need to do is trim that corner out just a little bit more. There. Now that's not overlapping. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the other pocket. Fold it and burnish. Again, you do not want to overlap on your, overlaps just a hair, so I'm going to cut that one. I don't need any extra bulk in my album. There we go. Okay, so let's attach our pockets. Oops. Okay, this pocket goes here, and this pocket goes here. So let's attach those. So I'll line it up. You don't want to go over the edge on the bottom. So I'm lining it up with this side over here. Just kind of hold it down and take your score pile tape off. Oops. Just like that. And then just fold her over just like this. Okay, so let's get the other pocket done. And see, I got a little bit of a nubble there. You can just kind of cut that off if you have that. There. Alrighty. And just line it up. I'm lining it up with this side over here. You don't want to go over the bottom. And here we go. Stick her down. Okay. There we go. Now we have our pockets. Where's those two pieces of, so see? And of course, you probably want to cut those down, but you can stick, you know, 2 or 3 photo mats in that. Let me grab my photo mats on my other album and show you. See? There you go. Okay. That's the album, guys. So, I hope you enjoy making this. And like I said, if you guys happen to have any questions, please just put them in the comments below. That is our cute little album. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and it's been fun, and we will see you guys again. So talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.